In the heart of the rainbow forest, a hidden door waits, its mysteries whispered among the rustling leaves and chirping birds. Luna, a curious high school student with an insatiable thirst for adventure, stumbles upon the gnome and the hidden door, her heart racing with excitement. The gnome challenges Luna to prove her determination by climbing the magically growing tree, setting the stage for a test of her courage. With each upward struggle, Luna's resolve is tested, the stakes looming larger as she inches closer to unlocking the hidden door. Luna is not alone in her quest. Her friend's presence brings a surge of hope and camaraderie, fueling her determination to reach the top. The trio strategizes together, their minds buzzing with ideas to help Luna conquer the tree and unlock the hidden door. With a bold leap of faith, Luna embarks on a daring new strategy, her friends' cheers and support echoing in the forest around her. Luna's heart races as she unlocks the hidden door, anticipation and wonder swirling within her as she steps through into the unknown. The note from Luna's future self whispers secrets of happiness, urging her to look within her heart for the key to true contentment. Together, Luna and her friends share a moment of quiet reflection, their hearts brimming with the lesson of persistence learned during their magical adventure in Rainbow Forest.